Hey guys, it's Nelly. Welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry if I'm talking a little bit weird in today's video. I have a blister like right inside my mouth, like right here, and it hurts so freaking bad. So I apologize in advance if my speech today is a little bit more impaired than usual. In today's video, we are going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing try-on makeup tutorial. If you are new to my channel, first of all, welcome to my channel. Every single month when I get my Boxycharm, which I have right over here, I like to do a makeup tutorial and I like to show you guys the products in action. I like to tell you guys what I think about them and just kind of show you guys an idea of how to use the products, like a makeup tutorial, like how can you put them on your face. If that makes any sense. This month's theme is Gold Digger, and you get a little cute unit carton thingy. So I'm going to just run through everything, let you guys know the prices of everything, and then we're just gonna throw them on our skin and see what we come up with. Alrighty, so the first thing that I see in my box is the Cover FX glitter drops. I have never tried these drops before. I know that they are super duper popular, but I've never actually, I don't own any. And this retails for $44. So just with this particular product, you have paid your box and more. Like, this is double the box. This is what it looks like. It's in the shade Nova. Also, if I look this way, it's because I switched my monitor over here. I used to have it like in front of me, but that was distracting me, and honestly, I think having it on the side is going to distract me even more. So we're just gonna see what happens. So anyways, so yeah, this is the Cover FX glitter drops in the shade Nova. I'm excited to try this. I've never tried this before, so I am excited. The next thing that I see in my box is the Luxie Luminous Eye Set brushes, and this retails for $21. You get 4 eyeshadow brushes, so that is awesome, and they're super duper cute. They have like gold glitter in them. I'm excited for this. Who does not love eyeshadow brushes? Doesn't matter how many you have, it's never enough. Like, you always need brushes. The next thing that I see is the Farrah Galaxy Gold Tweezers. Sorry, I'm reading it off the card. This retails for $12, and this looks so bomb. I needed tweezers. Like, can you see my eyebrows right now? I am like so hairy in my brows. So I am excited to try this. It's double-ended, so you have like a super duper pointy side over here, and then you have the normal side here. So we're gonna plug some of these babies and see what happens. The next thing that we have is the Ace Beauté. I hope I'm saying that right. This is the Crandois palette, and this retails for $24.99. I'm going to be super careful with mine because mine did come a little shattered, but that's okay. I kind of squished the eyeshadows in there and it seems to be fine, but this is what it looks like. Very beautiful colors. Such a shame that mine broke, but that's okay. We're gonna make it work. And the last thing that I see in the box is the Ography makeup brush cleaner, and this retails for $12, and this could not have come at a better time into my life because this right here, this right over here, this is a basket full of dirty brushes, and I'm gonna be cleaning some of the brushes here with you guys to see how it works, so we can go ahead and apply it to our eyes because majority of my eyeshadow brushes are filthy. I picked my hair up and out of the way so we can get down and dirty up in here. The first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to try out the tweezers because I desperately need to pluck my hairs.
Okay guys, so this next part of the video is actually going to be a voiceover because I was trying a new microphone and it was just a hot mess, and I'm sorry for the audio quality in this video, but please bear with me. I'm trying something new, so this part is going to be a voiceover. Okay, let's get back to the tutorial. Alrighty, so I'm taking the first shade from the bottom row. It's a really pretty like peachy orangey shade, and I'm going to put this in my crease, and this is going to be our transition shade. You want to make sure to pack it in the inner corner and the outer corner and get it really nice and pigmented. In this next clip, I'm actually explaining to you guys how the brush cleaner works. So I took my Ofra 21 brush, I sprayed the brush cleaner to the actual brush, and I did go ahead and wipe it off in a paper towel, and this was the result. The brush actually came back super duper clean and it was not wet. It dried super fast and I was able to use it with my next eyeshadow. This product is definitely a plus for me. Next, I'm going back in with the Ofra 21 brush, and I'm taking the shade Cinnamon, which is a beautiful chocolate brown, and I am going to apply this in my crease, just keeping it a little bit lower. And next, I'm taking the shade Poppy, which is a beautiful burgundy reddish tone shadow, and I'm going to apply this just a little bit closer in the crease, really nice and concentrated. You want to make sure to get it as nice and pigmented as you possibly can, and you want to take this color a little bit higher than normal because we are going to be creating a cut crease. Going in with a little bit more cinnamon, and I am just going to blend out the edges to make sure that that red shade is really nice and blown out and that both of those shades just kind of mix together. I'm going in with the shade Jasmine, and I am going to apply this to my brow bone as my brow bone highlight. And now I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I am going to begin to carve and cut the crease. Back in with the shade Jasmine, I'm going to apply this all over the entire first portion of the lid, so like halfway through my lid. As you can see, I'm placing it in the inner corner first, and then I'm going to move it up towards the crease, and I'm going to take it halfway across the lid, but only in the crease area. I'm not taking this color throughout the whole entire lid. And then I'm going to take the shade Myrtle, which is a little bit of a rose gold shade. It's absolutely beautiful, and I'm going to place that in the ball of the eye. And then I'm going with Prime Rose, which is a true gold, and I'm going to place that in the outer corner, kind of mixing everything together. I'm going back in with a little bit more Poppy just to blend everything out to make sure that everything is nice and seamless. I'm taking an Ofra liquid lipstick in the shade Mila, and I am going to apply this as an eyeliner. And then I'm just going to take a makeup wipe, and I'm just going to wipe everything off, any fallout that you may have, and I'm going to prime my skin using my Makeup Forever Smoothing Primer.
I'm moving on to foundation now, and I wanted to see how I like this, and I don't know, it's so glittery, but I took some of the Cover FX Nova drops and I just added it all over my skin, and it is definitely very glittery. It's more glittery than luminous. Like, it seems like it's luminous because it does have like a nice shimmer to it, but it has a ton of glitter. So yeah, that is very, very, very glittery. For foundation today, I'm using the NARS Longwear Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and I did mix in about 2 drops of those luminous drops, and we're going to go ahead and apply it using my Morphe E44 brush. I'm going to just kind of mix that together and apply it all over the skin. For concealer, I'm going in with the Kylie Cosmetics concealer in the shade Ivory, and I am going to apply this under my eyes, down the center of the nose, Cupid's bow, chin, right here on the sides of the lips, and the forehead. I'm going to take my beauty sponge, and I'm just going to blend everything into place. And now I am going to set using some translucent powder. I'm going to set the rest of the skin using my Maybelline Fit Me powder in shade number 20. I'm going back to the eyes, and I'm going to work on the lower lash line now. I'm going to take the little brush, the Luxie 1-for-1 mini round brush, and I'm going to take the shade Cinnamon once again, which is that really pretty kind of chocolate brown shade, and I am going to just smoke this out in the lower lash line. I'm going to take Poppy once again, and I am going to blow this out in the lower lash line. I'm going to take that Jasmine shade once again, and I'm going to just pop that in the inner corner as my inner corner highlight. And I'm going to take that red liquid lipstick once again, and I'm going to put this in my waterline. On to bronzer, I am going in with the ColourPop bronzer. I don't know the name of this one. I always forget it, but I'll try to see if I find it, and I'll leave it linked down below.
Alrighty, so taking some translucent powder, I am going to apply this under my contour / bronzer area just to clean everything up and make it really nice and crisp. Now I'm taking my angled mini brush that came in my box in my Luxie set, and I am going to get my bronzer, and I'm just going to contour the sides of my nose slightly. Nothing crazy. I really want just like a natural contour to the nose. I'm going to take a little bit of blush. This is the Carroty blush in the shade Yaz. It complements the look, beautiful. It's like it goes perfect. And I did take the shade Jasmine from the palette once again, and I use that as my highlight. I'm applying a little bit of setting mist, and we're moving on to lips. I'm lining my lips with the Boxycharm Plump Line lip liner in Undressed, and then I'm going to fill in my lips with the Morphe gloss in the shade Flower Crown. Don't forget to add mascara and falsies, and you're done.
Alrighty, you guys, so this is it. This is the final look, and let me just say that I am in love with this eyeshadow palette. Like, looking at it now, everything just blended so seamless, so nice. Everything is so freaking pigmented, and I love it so much. It's so beautiful. I think it's like the perfect fall look. I'm obsessed. So yeah, this is everything that I have to share with you guys today. I definitely loved the box. My standout product was hands down the eyeshadow palette, and I love the tweezers. I'm not too crazy about the Cover FX glitter drops. It's just too glittery for me. I have like specks of glitter all over my skin, and I'm not a fan of that because I do have texture and pores, and products like that just emphasize my texture even more. Like, see right here, all of that is being emphasized because of those glitter drops. So I'm not too crazy about that, but I still do think it's a really pretty product. And yeah, so that is everything. I'm going to have a link down in the description for you guys to check out Boxycharm if you are interested. As always, my Boxycharm videos are not sponsored. I do the videos because I want to do them, and I want to teach you guys and show you guys ways to use the products that come in the box. So that's it. I hope you guys loved and enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share the video all over the internet. Send it to your friends, send it to your family, send it to your abuelas, whatever. That is it for me. I have to go. I'm running late for a birthday party. I'm always running late. I love you, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday with a brand new video. Mwah!